Well, generally it's cellular molecular physiology or cell biology, really. So it really pulls on the strengths of the University of Liverpool and also the sort of more molecular biology side of Manchester.
We don't want it to narrow it too much, to keep it quite open so that everyone finds something which they find interesting and they will still register and submit abstracts.
Really, I think the main focus of the symposium is to make sure it's purely kind of PhD students. Sometimes if you go to larger conferences, the kind of academics maybe not take over, but it is more towards them. Now it's more the students, we can interact more and really get our views across and discuss in a less kind of formal way.
This is sort of an interdisciplinary approach between nanotechnology and stem cell biology, in which we are combining a novel protein-based scaffold for cartilage tissue engineering as a therapy for osteoarthritis.
Well, we did have this symposium organized 2 years ago, and it was quite well received and it was quite successful as well. Like, we had a good turnout. We had Sir Michael Barrage there for a keynote, and it was quite good. We started organizing, when was it? November? December?
About 6 months ago.
Yeah, about 6 months ago we started to say, okay, we're going to organize it, and then we just one by one started organizing it. Well, the first keynote speaker, who was Professor Anand Parekh from Oxford University, I actually met him a year ago at a conference in Italy, and he gave a really good talk, and he was really nice. He came later to my poster talk, and then he actually emailed me. It was nice meeting you. It was like really nice communication. So I was like, when we started organizing, I was first thing thinking about him. And the second speaker, which is a worm guy, Bill Schaefer, was a recommendation by a postdoc in my lab, or our lab, who said he met him at a conference and he gave a really good talk. He's really nice to talk to and he would be quite approachable.
I've just finished speaking to a couple of the sponsors as well, and they're made up with how it's gone. They were happy to contribute, and really we couldn't have done it without them.
We were able to get some funding quite quickly from the British Society of Cell Biology. They were really helpful, and we also quickly managed to get an application to the Biochemical Society as well, who also supported the event. And once we got that sort of money secured, we felt like we can actually do this now. It's not just something in our heads.